Dividing mixed numbers. Procedure. Step 1. Change each mixed number to an improper fraction. Step 2. Divide the improper fractions using the procedure for dividing fractions. This is our keep it, change it, flip it. Step 3. Reduce your answer if possible. Step 4. If your answer is improper, change it to a mixed number. So first step in example A, we have 7 1/2 divided by 4 2/3, and we need to change those to improper fractions. So 7 times 2 is 14 plus 1 is 15. That gives us 15 over 2 divided by 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2 is 14. That gives us 14 over 3. So now we have to do our keep it, change it, flip it. So keep it, 15 over 2, change it to multiplication, flip it, 3 over 14. Now since it's a multiplication problem, we check to see if there's any reducing we can do. 15 and 2 won't reduce, 3 and 14 won't reduce, 15 and 14 won't reduce, and neither will 2 or 3. So there's no reducing we can do. Multiply straight across. 15 times 3 is 45. And 2 times 14 is 28. Now we need to know how many times will 28 go into 45. Well, 2 times 28 is 56, so it won't go in twice. So it's just once. And now we need to figure out what the remainder is. So 45 minus 28. 5 minus 8 we can't do, so we borrow from the 4, make it a 3. Make the 5 a 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. 3 minus 2 is 1. So we get 17 over 28. For example B, we have 2 3/4 divided by 1/2. Now notice that the 1/2 is not a mixed number, it's just a regular fraction. So the only one we're going to have to change to an improper fraction is the first one, 2 3/4. So we've got 2 times 4 is 8, plus 3 is 11. So we get 11/4 divided by 1/2. Now we keep it, change it, flip it. So keep it, 11/4, change it to multiplication, flip it, 2 over 1. Now we can reduce on the diagonal with the 4 and the 2, because both 4 and 2 are divisible by 2. So we get 11 over 4 divided by 2 is 2, times 2 divided by 2 is 1 over 1. And now we multiply straight across. 11 times 1 is 11. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 will go into 11 5 times, and 5 times 2 is 10. So 11 minus 10 is 1. So it's 5 1/2. In example C, we're given 6 divided by 5 1/7. Now, anytime we want to make a whole number a fraction, we can just put it over 1. So this is going to give us 6 over 1 divided by, and now we're going to have to take 5 1/7 and turn it into an improper fraction. So 5 times 7 is 35, plus 1 is 36. So we get 36 over 7. Now we do our keep it, change it, flip it. So keep it, 6 over 1. Change it to multiplication, and flip it, 7 over 36. Now we've got a multiplication problem, so we can reduce on the diagonal, and 6 and 36 are both divisible by 6. That gives me 6 divided by 6 is 1 over 1 times 7 over 36 divided by 6 is 6. Multiply straight across. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 6 is 6. And since this is improper, the numerator 7 is larger than the denominator of 6, we can say 6 goes into 7 once, And then there's going to be a remainder of 1, because 7 minus 6 is 1. So it's 1 6th.